If you've tried budgeting over and over again, but it never seems to stick, you're not alone. The problem probably isn't your discipline. It's that you're trying to create a plan before you have clarity. Let me show you what I mean. Hi, I'm Andrea with Debt to Dreams Financial Coaching, where I help people replace financial stress with clarity, confidence, and control. Today, I want to share the biggest reason I see budgets fail, and it's probably not what you think. Most people think the first step is creating a budget. They download an app, open a spreadsheet, or write down what they hope they'll spend each month. But here's the problem. How can you make a plan for your money if you don't know where your money is going today? Before you can tell your money where to go, you first have to understand where it's already going. That means understanding where your income is going, what bills are fixed, which expenses change every month, where money seems to disappear without you realizing it. Without that information, you're making decisions based on assumptions instead of facts. And when your reality doesn't match those assumptions, people think they failed, but they didn't. They just started in the wrong place. That's why I believe financial clarity comes before budgeting. Once you understand where your money is going, you can create a plan that actually fits your life. If you're not sure where to start, I've created a free money clarity workbook to help you take that first step. You can download it using the link below. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more practical money tips each week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.